Mars is not the only reddish world out there. The night sky is a colorful place, but there's a blue tinge to most of the bright stars you can see. However, these blue giant stars are interspersed with a smattering of red supergiants that, if you look at them carefully, have an unmistakably ruddy hue. One of them is Aldebaran, one of the easiest bright stars to find in the winter night sky, and this week it will be closely passed by both Mars and the Moon. Here's everything you need to know about the close pass of Aldebaran, Mars and the Moon, and how to see them with your own naked eyes over 2 nights this week. One of the brightest, biggest and best orange supergiant stars is Aldebaran, the brightest star in the constellation of Taurus, the Bull. Also known as Alpha Tauri, and as the Eye of the Bull, Eye of Taurus, and the Red Bull Star, it sits in front of the V-shaped Hyades open cluster. However, its name comes from the Arabic al Dabarān, the follower, because it lags behind the tighter, brighter Pleiades open cluster, also in Taurus. Aldebaran is actually a binary star system comprising an orange giant and a red dwarf star, though the latter is way too faint to see. One of the 15 brightest stars, Aldebaran is 400 times brighter than our Sun and vastly larger. This week it will shine at an apparent visual magnitude of +1, which is a touch brighter than Mars at +1.2. So you're looking for 2 distinctly orangey-reddish points of light relatively close to each other. As close as the 2 worlds will appear to stargazers this coming week, about 7 degrees of sky will separate them on Saturday, March 20, 2021. Aldebaran is 65 light-years distant while Mars will be 154 million miles, 248 million kilometers from Earth. So while the light that you see from Aldebaran left the supergiant star in 1956, when Dwight Eisenhower was re-elected president of the US, the light you see shining from Mars left the red planet about 11 minutes ago. Look to the southwestern sky anytime after dark on Friday, March 19, 2021, and you'll see a 35% illuminated waxing crescent moon just above Aldebaran and Mars, forming a loose triangle. The following night on Saturday, March 20, 2021, the celestial pairing of Aldebaran and Mars will be closest, while a 45% near first quarter moon will sit higher above the pair between the stars Elnath and Zeta Tauri, the tips of the horns of Taurus the Bull. However, Aldebaran and Mars are going to appear close all week, so take advantage of any clear skies you have. You can watch the 2 naked eye, no trouble at all, but if you have a pair of binoculars, point them skywards and you may get them both in the same field of view. Range your binoculars to the left and you'll also spy the sparkling Pleiades open cluster of bright blue stars, which Mars passed close to a few weeks ago.